Hey guys, John here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up ads in MGID. This is our MGID, or whatever you want to call it. This is just this is a native ad network, so native ads. And what native ads mean is it just means that these are ads that are showing up in places that look similar to the website. So this is an example of native ads. They look like the website. They blend in. See, so they just blend in with the website. And here are you can look at case studies and see what it actually. Some of these things, what it actually looks like. And they work a lot with affiliate marketing, so that's pretty cool. So let's get to the advertising, shall we? So what we're doing here is we're just, it's fairly basic. We're going to add some ads, we're going to add some targeting, we're going to build a campaign. So really, I have some money loaded up here, and it's not too complicated. I'm just going to name this. I'm just going to name this super affiliate. Let's call this. We're doing it MOB. MOB super affiliate. And what we're going to do is we're going to do just this doesn't really matter. Let's do content promotion. So. Says you need to, if you want to advertise, you need to select, if you want to advertise website that contains articles, please select content. So yeah, that's what we're selecting. Okay, so so now we just pick a campaign category, and again, most of this stuff doesn't matter that much. For this, I'm just going to pick, let's see, pick business and finance. And we'll pick English for the campaign language. Now targeting, the way I'm going to set this up is I'm going to set up I'm going to include, so I guess I just select this, just including different countries. United States. So let's just see how this works. USA. So throw in US over here. Okay. So we have US and Canada. And then let's just confirm this. And what I'm actually going to do is, yeah, this is good. Confirm. Let's see, browser. Browser language. Say English. We'll just do, I just want to do desktop for now. So I'm just putting in desktop, so we're targeting desktops where people speak English in the US and Canada. Easy. So I'm going to set a campaign limit, and I'm just going to set overall limit of $50. Overall limit $50. Set a top limit of $500. Now here we go. And we can have the option to use a conversion sensor here. Cool. So we just want to save this right now. Looks like the lights went off. Didn't specify target URL. See, it says this. So I forgot to actually put in my target URL. So I have this. I'm actually using this right here. So we scroll down, and we want to put in, where's our target URL? Or does it say target URL? So I don't see where it's, oh, goal type. I'm just going to turn this off. Save. I'll set up tracking. So MGI can, I'll just say target URL begins with, let's just set this up. New goal, and we'll just say begins with John Crestani. It doesn't need to be right, but I'll say each sale is worth $49. So I'm just going to turn this off for the time being. Go and create an ad for this campaign. Great. So we'll put in our URL. So this is my landing page, and as you guys can see, it just goes to my the registration page right here, and we'll make a title for this. So enter your title. This should be short, catchy, and intuitive. So if you guys see in the members area, we're gonna go into the members area. We're gonna go under ad swipes, and there's me talking about some of the ad swipes, and we're gonna go over BizOp. And under here, there's one of the documents you should have access to is should be somewhere under here. Okay, here we go. Is BizOp headlines. So I'm just going to take, what I'll do is to create my ads in the beginning, I'll just take some of these headlines and I'll use similar ones. So I'll say, I don't know. Let's look at one of the. Let's look at the.
So the decision I made a few years ago was that I needed to take.
So we're going to take, let's just say, this headline, for instance. Born between 1951 and 1991, this system could make you a lot of money per month. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these images I downloaded here, and this is also from the swipe file. So as you guys can see, we have native ads images. So you have a bunch of images you can use from all sorts of things. So some of these are the British currency, so you don't want to use those if we're advertising in the US. So we have all sorts of images of wealth and what have you. So what we'll want to do is, and I already downloaded those, so you'll want to just use one of these images. Let's say we use let's say we use this woman coming on the plane, and see, it says we can select the image here. So we'll just select that, right? See, it gets a little price of a click cents. So let's do 10 cents. We change the price per click. We'll just say it's 10 cents. Okay. And what we'll do is, because I want to test multiple ads, I'm going to say save and add new ad. So it's saying bid should be higher than 3.5 cents. So what we'll do is we'll bid 5 cents. And we'll do save and add new ad. See if this works. So it says, congratulations, you created a campaign with 1 teasers. We recommend you launch at least 10 teasers. So we'll do add new ad, and we'll just do the same headline. We'll do our same URL, And we're just going to select a new image because we want to split test different images. So I'll split test some money. Okay. So then I'll do 5 cents again. Save and add new ad. We'll do this, our landing page. Again, we'll put in our title, and we're going to split test another ad image. So let's test, what should we test? We'll test, this guy. This guy standing in front of his car. So we'll do that. We'll put 5 cents again. And we'll do save and add new ad. So we're just testing out a bunch of different ads to see what's going to work. And the thing is, with advertising is you never know what's going to work. You just have to test stuff out. So here's a cute girl. We're just going to test that out. We're going to test 5 cents a click. Save and add new ad. Again, you never know what's going to work. So you just test out a bunch of stuff. I never know what's going to work. I'm going to test out this stack of money, and that's actually not American currency. Let's test out this nice car. We'll do 5 cents. Save and add new ad. So I'm just testing out ad images now, and what I will do is I'll test out. I'm testing out a bunch of ad images, but what I'll do on the next go around is I'll test a bunch of okay, so they don't like that image. I'll test a bunch of different headlines. And that's kind of how I do things. I just test. So I think that's good. We have a couple ads. So let's see, we have some money. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 different ads. You know what? And we're going to create, they said 10 ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to create 4 more. So I'm just going to go through this quick. We'll test this. 5 cents. Save and add new ad. So it's not all that complicated, and what I think a lot of people do is they overthink the advertising. You can't overthink the advertising process. It's 8. Because if you overthink the advertising process, you're going to end up failing long run. This is how we speak to people. This was pretty cool. Swan. Yeah, this one. This is ad number 9. And we'll do one more image. And we'll do this guy, the Batmobile. Save and go to the ads list. Now, one thing we might keep in mind is, 5 cents might not actually get us, get us any traffic. So, and we're testing out 2 different places here, Canada and the U.S. One thing I'm going to do, so we have all of our ads here. And that's basically it. Now we basically have to, we see, our ad is in moderation, so this means it will be checked by their editors. And kind of all we have to do now is we have to wait and see what actually happens to our advertising in order for us to, start having our ads shown. Now, what I'm going to be looking at, I'm I'm going to be looking at to see if people click on my landing page. So what we can see here is if we go to ClickFunnels. So here's for instance the funnels I have shared with you. So if you were to go, here, let's say, the JC Squeeze, you can actually see if people have been clicking on the link in your ads. So see what.
I'm John Crestani, and a few
this is
years
how the
ago I
page
made a
works.
decision that would change the course of my entire life.
And what we can see is okay, how many people ended up clicking through? So how many people ended up going to the next page? And that's kind of what we're interested in seeing, because we know how many people visit this page, so we'll see how many page views we got. And what we're interested in seeing is, okay, if we got 8 page views, how many people actually visited our affiliate, the affiliate network? So we'll be able to deduce we got 8 people, or we got 5 people who visited our page here, and then what we'll be able to see is how many people actually visited our affiliate link. So that's what we'll look at, and that's about all there is to it. So as you see, setting up stuff on MGID or MGID is very simple. And what I'll do is I'm just going back to my dashboard, and I'm seeing that I actually somehow, for whatever reason, this is paused. So I'm going to only paused campaigns can be unlocked except blocked. So well, either way, I think through the low balance, further rotation intensity of your ads became lower. Please top up your account. Oh, so I just added some money, so it's just waiting for I guess we're just waiting for the money to fully show up or whatever in the activated account. But what I'll do is, if in the morning this error message isn't away, what I'll do is I'll just send in a message, and I'll ask him a question, and I'll see what's going on. So that's basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed this this training, and I will try to do a follow-up training if as we go along. Ask any questions.